Hello everyone. We will start learning PowerPoint today. MS Office provide one marketing related or sales presentation related software known as PowerPoint. Now I want to create new file. So I will go to file. I will click on new and I will have again some ready-made templates as I told you in Word and Excel. You can use templates. These are some designs without any content and these are with content. Say for example, if I want to create presentation with particular say fresh food presentation or maths education presentation, I have choice. If I want to create travel presentation, again I can go to any layout. Just we want to check how this MS PowerPoint will going to help you to create ready-made presentation. You can see presentation include many pages known as slide. There are total 13 slides available and many helping line or many helping text are available like title and content, layout, first add your bullet list. Everything is guided by this particular template. You are supposed to only overwrite your data. Now if I want to see this particular slide, I have to check how many views are available. As we know that view button is also available in this particular status bar area. This is slide sorter. I can see all 13 slides at a time. This is reading view in which you can write note for particular slide. Then after that is slide show, which is target or purpose of making presentation. Full screen will be get occupied by one slide, and if you will click on mouse, automatically next slide will appear. And this is actually purpose to create presentation when you want to show something on projector or when you want to explain something in presentation. You need slide by slide content and that is available by MS PowerPoint. By default name of file is presentation 1 and this particular area will show you how many files are in your file. Plus you can see some effects, predefined effects known as transition, animation. So these new tabs are available, new groups are available in this menu bar. So how we will going to create a new presentation, that we will going to learn today. So I will go to file, new, and I will select blank presentation. In blank presentation you can have title slide first as default slide. If I want to create one slide or one presentation on my information, I will give title my information. I can write my name. Now I want to add new slide. I have choice, different choice as per my requirement. This is title slide which is already used, title and content which will have heading and detail matter, section header, to content, companion, title only, blank, content caption and picture with caption. You can see duplicate selected slide option is there and slide from outline option is there. Reuse slide is also one more option. If I want to change layout of existing slide to different layout or different pattern, I can use this particular button. Now I want to create title and content slide, so I will click on title and content. I have two boxes right now on my screen. First is title and second is subtitle, but in subtitle I can see some 6 picture box is available in this particular area. I will put my pointer to understand what is this. First you can add table, second you can add chart, third smart art graphic, fourth is picture, fifth is online picture and sixth is insert video. So this particular slide pattern will allow you to add 6 activity as well as text inside that particular slide. Now if I want to add, see automatically capitalization of first word will be done by Excel, not Excel, sorry, MS Office. I want to add name of my friends. Now you can see that 6 option box is now not available with this particular area, as from 7 you can use only one option. So once you select that option, you can easily replace or occupy that area with other thing. You can reduce, you can enlarge this particular box, as well as you can change color, font, everything. But I want to use some ready-made design. Then there is design option, in which no need to think about anything, just click on any one design. You will come to know that your design is now changed. Now I want to use this particular area, this particular pattern. So this is one pattern. Again I want some variety, so I will go to design. I can see this drop down button which will show me entire library available. Now from which I can check any one design, any one pattern, which will change my first page, as well as shading and colors are available for second page also. In this way I understood that I can create some creative decorative slideshow or presentation by using MS PowerPoint. We will learn many things, as well as we can apply many multiple things in next lecture, which will going to guide you about how to add transition, animation, and how to do slideshow as per customized order. So in this way, what we learned today, we know how to create presentation. Now last job is we have to save the file. Now I will go to save, browse option. Again my folder is available on desktop, so I will click on SCS, and this is my PowerPoint file. So I will name this particular file by name PowerPoint, and I will click on save, which will replace my this particular name presentation 1 to PowerPoint. Okay, so in this way what we learned today is how to use PowerPoint screen.
Did you find this video helpful? Then like and share this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.